Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting a P0159 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0159. It indicates that the oxygen sensor is not properly regulating the fuel and oxygen levels. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A: fuel injectors. The fuel injectors are mounted in intake manifolds so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak. After all, just slide all the new fuel injectors in. Method B: the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor behind the converter. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal taps for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0159 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code, and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment if you have questions.